Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, me have to go kick it off like this because Favour Williams, she come out and attack a bag of foolishness which me don't understand. So my wisdom warriors, hear this. Education minister say loud music contribute to school violence. Lord Jesus, you ever hear something like this yet? No, sir. Favour Williams, you need to left from back of the class. You're there at the back of the class for too long now. Me don't understand you, lady. My wisdom warriors, Favour Williams, the education minister, say loud music contributes to school violence. How comes loud music contributes to school? So make it make sense. Make it make sense. Loud music could potentially be contributing to the high levels of violence in schools. That's the argument put forward by Education Minister Favour Williams as part of her sectorial debate presentation in the House of Representatives. You see what the backside then for bring in the motion out? They not bring in the motion out, my wisdom warriors. You see all them sitting here now. How loud music for contribute to violence? How loud music? Make it make sense. You come and you talk things that you don't know where you talk. Say, how you feel say loud music? How you feel say loud music? My wisdom warriors, I do not understand Favour Williams. I do not understand them. It look like it's something I work on them. Seriously, because me not understand them. Somebody can come and utter such nonsense out of their mouth. I come talk about loud music contribute to school violence. I want to stop the foolishness. Every time I come in a House of Parliament, I talk some things when I'm not supposed to talk. I want to come table out a motion out in there. Not motion out. When you come talk about the customer, the money we're missing from the bank and all now they not get it back. And them something they don't come talk about. Favour Williams, if you come and talk about the teachers, them now get good pay. No for the teacher, them still a wait for payment all now. And them the sitting there if you come in a House of Parliament come talk about. You really come and come talk about loud music contribute to school violence. Really and truly. I saw low one can go. I talk about loud music. You need to come better than that. It come like you not have nothing to say. It come like you not have nothing to say. It come like, before you come talk about what una go put in place. Or una go have some meeting around what una go put in place for the children them and the teachers them. And them something they have to come talk about. How the hell loud music for contribute to school violence? Favour Williams is seeking to assure Jamaicans that the government is doing all it can to address the issue. She reminded the country that it cannot fall on their shoulders alone. According to the minister, loud music plays a role in affecting the mindset of children when they arrive at school. So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the education minister say. Wanna tell me if you agree with her, yes or no. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Because I want to hear your thoughts on this, really and truly. Because when she has a loud music, she needs to explain to the people them what she mean by loud music. And that she needs to do. A well-known taxi operator was shot and killed on Wednesday morning in the community of Rocky Valley in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. He is known by the aliases Banky and Crocs. The incident occurred about 5:20 a.m. as the now deceased was about to begin work. So my viewers and subscribers, you say Wagwan, Panwatagwan, taxi operator murder in Rocky Valley, Stony Hill. You see what going on in our country. You see the reason why me have to make you know these things, Me have to show you these things because Andrew Holness have it spread all over. that the crime is reducing. And the crime now reduce. The crime now reduce. Uno know say 50 civilians killed by security forces. Uno didn't know that? According to the article, the Independent Commission of Investigation says 50 people have been shot and killed by the security forces since the start of the year. 6 of those fatal shootings occurred between yesterday and today. You hear that, my viewers and subscribers? Listen, 6 of those fatal shootings occurred between yesterday and today. Up to this time last year, 41 people had been killed by the security forces. 39 of whom were killed by the police. So, I want to see what one. I want to see what is going on. So, when me tell you, say, Andrew Holness no come up with a crime plan, yeah? Him and Horace Chang and a whole lot of them, they no come up with no crime plan. It is very sad. It is very sad. And how them a spread lies about the crime is reducing when everybody knows say the crime is not reducing. The crime is not reducing. I want to know, say, anytime I want to send out the soldier them, more people always are dead. More people always are dead. I want to know that. Anytime they send out the SOEs, the people them always are dead. Yes, I wonder if we not count them. I wonder if we not count them in our statistic. I hope we not put them the people that were dead in there. No. Even other day, somebody passed away. Somebody passed away. I'm going to see it in the article. Chucky. Who know Chucky? Chucky, freelance Chucky. Freelance Chucky passed away. Then say he get lick off him bike. All me are looking at the paper for see it. No article, me not see it in no article. So this to show you, there's a lot of people that get killed. Lot of people that get killed, my wisdom warriors. And, come out in the article, none at all. Yeah, the newspaper no cover it. So this make me wonder. This make me really wonder. Is the statistic really true? You understand what I try go? The statistic what them do, what them claim, say the crime are reduced. Is it really true? My viewers and subscribers, in my opinion, in my view, from my perspective, it is not true. But we have to allow them for them do their thing. You understand me? Because me don't know how they like to compare so. I do not know. People are dead and them are compare. Them are taking time out for compare. It is ridiculous. But you tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Also, I just want to say rest in peace to Chucky, freelance Chucky, and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, one of my fans commented, and you know what? It really touched me. So I said I want to share it with you guys. I did post it in the community and I also posted it on my IG. But I'm going to just read this out and then we can elaborate a little bit on it. So this person, she wrote it, my sister was having hemorrhage and losing a lot of blood in December. She needed an emergency surgery to stop the bleeding, but she was told that she had to come up with $500,000 to do the surgery, or they could not do it. Wanna hear them something, and my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear what I go on? This is a life and death situation, you know. This is an emergency, you know. And them I tell her, I say she have to come up with $500,000. And this the country come to, you know. And this the country come to. And the lady have to come up with the money just to save her life, my wisdom warriors. Just to save her life. So when you hear me a lick out and I talk about when people have to do them surgery and stuff like that, it costs people. And the truth, me I tell you no. And the truth. So you have to go up in on the feelings because no for uno go to the hospital. And uno know how they treat uno. Uno know in on self. Me I talk both GLP and PNP. Uno know. Because and I like say when PNP go or GLP go, them ask uno, are you PNP? Are you GLP? No, they don't do that. So both party is feeling it. This is why I'm telling you all the time to start think like a Jamaican. Stop thinking die-hearted. That now go nowhere. That are back in the day. You understand me? If you cut out the back in the day a long time mentality, that now go nowhere. That a back a bush. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? Anyway, let me continue. This incident take place in Spanish Town Hospital. Wanna hear me? This incident take place in Spanish Town Hospital. They were the ones who did a minor surgery, she said, 2 weeks before and mess up big time. That's why a lot of people are dying. This is what my subscriber is saying. She's saying that's why a lot of people are dying needlessly in Jamaica right now because they don't have the money. Christopher Tufton needs to go from yesterday. You hear what she say? Christopher Tufton need to go from yesterday. So basically she say him time up, him time expire. A long time he should have live up. A long time. And I agree with her 250%. I really agree with her, my wisdom warriors. Them something is not right. And then you see Christopher Tufton come out now and them a talk and say how much billion them spend on this and how they doing that. Yes, them always come, read out them budget, yeah, and say they're doing this and that. But really and truly, when the patient them got the hospital now, them suffer. Nothing not change. Every year when you come and read budget. In Allah, you know, even the other day you come and he's applauding himself, how he's the only long-standing health minister have done this for 8 years. The way how him did a hype up himself, and that them do you know, the way how he was hyping up himself, my viewers and subscribers, he was so proud. I can't believe Christopher Tufton come in a House of Parliament and was so proud of all the work that he's doing. Which work? You understand? Because at the people them on the ground, you know, at the patient them attack, you know. Christopher Tufton, the patient they not tell no lie upon you, you know. And I like say a PNP. And I like say a PNP alone attack, you know. JLP patient them attack too. You understand me, brother? You not do nothing right. Everybody know that. So don't make, I have some labor rights too. Come out, pass on platform, my wisdom warriors. Attack how Christopher Tufton is doing good. I know everybody a bash Andrew Holness and them a bash Christopher Tufton. You know so them people they are wicked. It look like them not up on the ground. Those people are so wicked. Them not like, you see any platform on go upon, me tell you my wisdom warriors. You see any platform on go upon and them attack how Andrew and Christopher Tufton is great and or strong. Run! Left from over there. Yes, me I tell you no left because them are go corrupt on the mind. I corrupt on the mind, you know, and I tell you no foolishness and spreading lies. You understand? Because there's no way you can't see how the people them are suffer so. And then you come out and talking about Andrew Holness is doing good. And Christopher Tufton, Horace Chang, Nigel Clark is doing well. No, don't do that. Not because me tell you what them a go for. They only hear they read out the budget. But if you don't follow up the budget, you know we see say nothing and do. If you know we see. And really and truly, everything that happened, you really come out and say, them is very good. Really. It come like on a lick on the head. And every time when somebody is licking out against Andrew Holness, you say a PNP. You stop it. You stop that foolishness about PNP. Nobody can talk. I'll JLP attack. You know how much JLP reach out to me and they afraid for talk? It come like you don't know what going. They know how much of them afraid, them scared. Them a JLP and them scared, my wisdom warriors. They don't want talk. They don't want their voice to be heard. Because them scared of their own prime minister. JLP people, them me are telling about. Them come out. So it's not everybody that come out and licking out against Andrew Holness. You know that labor right. You know that. You know so JLP come out and talk things them too. So you is being very biased. You be very biased. One time when you hear Andrew Holness come out and announce this, you fi follow it up. And you we see say Andrew is not doing shit for Jamaica. You come like, I be a ear say you come with. Appear here say you come with. You fi come with facts. You fi come with facts. My wisdom warriors, you know what? You said what happened with this young lady. I'm glad how she find the money. But it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. You understand me? Remember, there is a healthcare free. But it is a trick. It is not free. It's just like how Christopher Tufton say how they have the mobile service going around and reaching out to the people them. That is very good. That is very good. But when they go around and reach out to the people them now and check them out now and check them sugar level and check everything and them blood pressure. What do you think happen after that? Then give them free medication? They give them free nothing. They not give them a blasted thing. Then still have to go fork out their money and spend what they don't have. You hear me? Alright, so now make these people trick you no. No make them trick you no. Then take people for idiot. All Christopher Tufton think about is mega projects. Mega projects. Ima Andrew Holness. Pure mega. Bare money in their head. Pure money. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Hey, don't forget, run go over my TikTok, because I pure something going over there, Wanna stay there, me soon start, I'll go live on it. Yeah, me want to get me to 10K on TikTok. 10,000 followers me want. Right now, me so reach 2,000, 10,000. When me reach 10,000, then me will start the lives pan it. And over here, so when I reach 30K, then I will start doing my live. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe. Run over to my IG too, because I think me have, and me not even have 100 people over there. So no just go on over there and just follow me down, because as I said, pure things are going over there. Bless upon a nice clean self.